Have you ever felt the pressure of doing things? Have you ever felt a pressure of completing your task? Have you ever felt a pressure of ticking off those tasks in your to-do list? Have you ever struggled to do something but yet you did it because you were so pressurized, because you needed to prove something, you needed to do something? And I'm telling you, if you haven't felt that pressure, you are lacking behind. You are not doing anything significant. तुम कुछ ऐसा कर ही नहीं रहे हो. Because let me give you a silly example. Do you think Genghis Khan, when he was trying to resolve all the issues inside his tribe, if you know the story of Genghis Khan, you will understand this. Like Genghis Khan was trying to resolve all the issues under his tribe, then uniting them and then conquering the world. Do you think he didn't felt that pressure? He felt pressure, he faced that struggle, but he still worked on it because some invisible pressure was on him that मुझे इसको करना पड़ेगा, अगर मैं नहीं करूँगा everything will be fucked. And I'm telling you, whenever you do something which is significant, which is important, maybe for the society, maybe for your family, maybe for yourself, because you're proving something to someone or to yourself, these are the only scenarios you will feel pressure. And that pressure is positive. Because pressure does two things. First, it folds the weaker person. अगर कोई आदमी कमज़ोर है, he will fold. But if someone is strong enough, then pressure makes them that coal into a diamond. That pressure turns the coal into a diamond. That is what pressure does. And it is really important for you to feel that pressure. क्योंकि अगर तुमने अभी तक वो pressure feel ही नहीं किया है, I am telling you, you are not doing anything in your life. तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो. Because तुम्हारा कोई aim है, तुम्हारा goal तुम्हारे मन पे है ही नहीं. Because जब भी तुम एक goal रखोगे and एक precisely उसको decide करोगे and तुम सोचोगे कि हाँ 5वें साल पे मेरे पास ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए, 2027 तक मैं यहाँ होना चाहिए, 2030 तक मैं यहाँ आना चाहिए, and you haven't feeling the pressure still, either you are too careless, either you are an exception, or you haven't aimed anything yet. तुमने कुछ सोचा ही नहीं है लाइफ को लेके कि मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं. And that is, I say, most of the people right now doing that. Most of the Gen Zs, like people younger than me, I am 21. मेरे से young लोग जो हैं, either they are giving exams or they are, all they are doing is, I'm talking about in general, in general, मैं specific नहीं हो रहा हूँ, वैरायटी में बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, जितने लोग हैं उसमें से ऑल दे आर डूइंग इज स्क्रोलिंग इंस्टाग्राम, मेकिंग स्नैपचैट स्ट्रीक्स एंड नथिंग बट चीटिंग ऑन ईच अदर. दैट्स व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. एंड it's kind of sad to see that, but there are few people too who are feeling this pressure, who are already preparing for a competitive exam and they're in class 10th and they're ready to, they have their target that they want to enter into that college, and I'm rooting for you guys, and you will, because what I'm trying to preach in this video is pressure is important, because pressure and struggles tells you that you're in the right direction. Because imagine you're not feeling any struggle or any pressure, तो तुम कर भी क्या रहे हो लाइफ में? Is there any point जहाँ पे तुम्हें समझ आए कि हाँ मैं कुछ significant कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ तो कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में? वो नहीं समझ आ रहा है. क्यों समझ नहीं आ रहा है? Because doing nothing. तुम्हें किसी चीज़ का प्रेशर और स्ट्रगल फील ही नहीं हो रहा है. स्ट्रगल एंड प्रेशर्स आर द ओनली डिटरमिनेंट्स which tells you that you are in the right direction, which tells you कि हाँ कुछ तो तुम सही कर रहे हो, तुम सही तरफ जा रहे हो. That's why you're struggling, and when you're struggling you are learning, and that pressure behind it feels like कि मुझे ये अचीव करना है, मुझे ये करना है, and that pressure is important. So I am telling you, pressure is a diamond. Pressure makes diamond. Pressure turns coals into diamond. You are a diamond. So feel that pressure, embrace it, grow from it. The weaker will fold, the stronger will thrive. That's the fact, that's how world works. I hope the best for you. God bless you. Hustle hard. Peace out.